Now we are entering into the practice set 3.2. Here in this practice set 3.2, we are going to prove how two triangles are congruent to each other. Actually, there is need to tell me first that what are the tests for congruency of triangles. But purposely I am avoiding. Its reason is that however we will go to solve practically, then you will come to know that which are the tests for congruency of the triangle, and hence I have decided to enter directly into the exercise 3.2. Then look here in exercise 3.2, first question. This is triangle ABC, and in triangle PQR. Here AB, these are the identical marks. AB, here it is single mark, means PQ. Here are three lines, and here are two. Here are two, and these are three. Similar way, now we will prove that what is first question. In this case, in each examples of the given below, identical marks are given. That means, for example, AC congruent to in triangle ABC. Directly I will solve here, please look. And we have to identify the test by which these two triangles are congruent, or in question number 2, 3, 4, how these two triangles are congruent. So I am going to take first in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Directly I am solving it. Look here. Here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, here it is a single line. It means that side AB congruent side PQ. Okay. Then here two marks are given, two lines are given. Here two lines are given. Means side BC congruent side BC congruent side QR. Okay. And side AC, here three marks, is AC congruent to, I will write here, side AC congruent side PR. Means what happened? AB congruent to PQ, side BC congruent to QR, AC congruent to PR. Means these two triangles ABC congruent triangle PQR by triple S test. Understand what I told? By triple S test. Which observe the figures and state the test by which the triangles in each pair are congruent. Means these two triangles are congruent by triple S test. Means what happened? The sides of one triangle, corresponding sides of one triangle are congruent or equal to the corresponding sides of the other triangle, then these two triangles are congruent by triple S test. Now we will go in question number 2 here. In triangle XY, this is question number 2. In triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. Here side XY. Now I will erase this, not necessary of first question. So I will erase. So congestion will be reduced. Then here side XY congruent side, where is single marker? Here the single marker is not mentioned. I am going to mention it. This is LM. So side LM. Okay. Now angle Y congruent angle M. And here there are two marks are given, two lines are given. It means that YZ congruent MN. Side YZ congruent side MN. Therefore triangle XYZ congruent triangle LMN. What is reason? By SAS test. By SAS test. Understand? Means side XY in triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. This side XY congruent side YM, side YZ congruent side MN, and angles Y and M are the angles congruent between two congruent sides of both the triangles, and that's why triangle XYZ and triangle LMN are congruent by SAS test. Now we will see this question number 3rd. What is in question number 3? Please look here. In case of question number 3, PQR in triangle PQR and triangle PQR, triangle STU and triangle STU. What will happen? Angle P congruent angle S. Angle P congruent angle S. Side PR congruent side SU. Congruent side SU. Angle R congruent angle U given. Therefore, angle side angle triangle PQR congruent triangle STU. By which test? These are congruent by angle side angle by ASA test. By ASA test. Understand? If you understand, then this last question is simple one. We will solve that also. In case of this question number 4, which test is that we can understand from its observation only. I will take here in triangle LMN. In triangle LMN and triangle PTR. And triangle PTR. Proper sequence is also important while taking this, while writing these vertices. Now look here, LM. Here LM is congruent to TP given. So I will write here side LM congruent side TP or TP. Now next one is that this symbol is given, means angle M congruent angle T. What is reason? 90-degree angles. 90-degree angles, and hypotenuse are told congruent. Here I will write hypotenuse LN congruent hypotenuse PR. Therefore, triangle LMN congruent triangle PTR. By which test? This is by hypotenuse side test. This is congruent by hypotenuse side test. So these are there are 4 tests of congruency of triangles. One is their triple S test, second one is their ASA test, third one is their SAS test, and fourth one is their hypotenuse side test. So based on this, now we will enter into the question number 2. There are 2 questions are given. Please, you should have to draw diagram first, and then we will discuss about it. Once again, I am going to remind you that if you have not subscribed the channel, then you should subscribe channel, write your comments, and you must share your likes or even dislikes. Also, you should write promptly, honestly, without afraid your comments. That will help me to improve the video. Now, question number 2. First, here in figure number 3.20, ABC PQR. Then here angle B, angle Q. Here how these which are the angles are congruent, which are the sides are congruent to each other, that is mentioned, and we should have to solve that. How your activity based question is given, then we will solve that. We must prove that which segment, which side A congruent to side AB and which side is congruent to side PR. That we have to find it. So I will write here in triangle, here it is mentioned, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Angle ABC given, angle ABC, then which angle PQR congruent? PQR congruent given. The next one is here told seg BC, seg, or you may write side seg QR. Why? Is seg BC congruent side QR? Because there are two lines are given, means these two sides are congruent to each other. Now this identical mark is found with angle R. Therefore angle ACB congruent angle PRQ. Thus what will happen? Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR, by which does angle side angle by ASA test. Then here we must have to write remaining which are the angles and sides are congruent to each other. Then we can write seg AB congruent to seg PQ. Seg AC congruent seg PR. AC congruent to means AB congruent to PQ and this AC congruent to seg PR. Again which angle A congruent angle P. I will write here angle A congruent angle P. What will you write? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. And you will write here corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So whatever you have wanted to write as activity, answer comes by this way. Now next question, second one is that is also quite simple. I will draw diagram. You should also draw diagram and read the information whatever is given. Be ready to get the solution. Here there are two triangles are given, P, T, Q, R, S. Okay. Now this PT and TS. Here QT congruent to TR and these two angles are congruent to each other. Then we should go according to given figure. I will write here in triangle PTQ and triangle STR. What is happening? Seg PT means here double marks. So here also double mark. Congruent seg P is opposite S, so ST will come. Okay. Then angle PTQ congruent angle. P is opposite S, Q is opposite R, so STR. Angle STR. The next seg TQ is given, Q is opposite R is there, means TR will come. Seg TQ congruent seg TR. Therefore, three conditions are sufficient to prove the triangle. Therefore, triangle PTQ congruent triangle STR. By which test? By SAS test. And therefore then we should have to write remaining. What will come? Angle TPQ angle TPQ, angle TPQ, congruent angle TRS, congruent angle TRS. Again, angle PQT, angle PQT, congruent angle is opposite R, RST, RST. What will you write here? Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And what is remembered? Seg PQ, congruent seg RS. Seg PQ, congruent seg RS. What is reason? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. By this way, this is the answer of question number 2 of sub question number 2 of question number 2 completed. Now we will enter into the question number 3. So be ready to enter into the question number 3. Draw diagram of question number 3. Even you may similar way you can find question number 3 also. Now in question number 3 there are two diagrams are mentioned. I will draw diagram. A, C, B, P, Q, R. These 2 marks are given here. Here are also 2 means I will tell you what is here and how is it mentioned, and these are 90 degree angles. And here you should have to prove that how these 2 triangles are congruent. Look here, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, side AB congruent side PQ, angle A congruent angle Q, and side opposite to 90 degree angle it is called hypotenuse. Here also side opposite to 90 degree angle it is called hypotenuse. So these 2 triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. So we will write answer solution here in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR and triangle PQR. What happens? Seg AB, which side is congruent to seg AB? Seg PQ. Seg PQ. Angle A, congruent angle Q. Angle A congruent angle Q and hypotenuse BC, congruent hypotenuse PR. Therefore, triangle ABC, congruent triangle PQR, congruent triangle PQR. Then here, therefore we should write remaining means by which test these 2 triangles are congruent. Hypotenuse side test. So we should write here test name hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test is the name of the test. Then which are the sides are congruent? Seg AC, we should write seg AC congruent seg AC congruent seg QR, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Then angle C, congruent angle C, congruent angle which will come angle R, angle R. And angle B, congruent angle P, angle B, congruent angle, what will come? Angle P. By this way, this here we should have to mention corresponding angles of congruent triangles. This is the question number 3. First answer is completed. Question number 3, first answer is here completed. If you have any doubt, you may ask me again. Now we will enter into the question number 4. This exercise is very simple. I hope that you are understanding it properly. If you do practice, then it is not difficult at all. Now in case of question number 4, I am going to draw here diagram. One side is common given L, M, here it is N, here it is P. Then L, N congruent to MP mentioned. Angle LM congruent PN given, and this is common side. So we should write how these two triangles means. Look here, in triangle L M N, in triangle L M N, in triangle L M N, and triangle P N M, and triangle P N M, P N M. Seg LM, seg LM congruent seg PN, seg MN congruent seg NM, seg LN congruent seg PM. Therefore, triangle LMN congruent LMN congruent triangle PNM, PNM. What will happen? This is by triple S test. These two sides, these two triangles are congruent by triple S test. Then directly, which angles are congruent, that we should have to mention. You may write with single letter or you may write with 3 letters. So here L M N is L M M. No need to look there. L M M L M N I wrote here. Then here P N M, P N M. Understand? Thus here these 3 pairs of angles are congruent. You should write corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Question number 4 is completed. Now there is a last question. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. You should tell to your all friends to subscribe the channel. You should write your comments. Now we are entering into the question number 4. Question number 4. Sorry, question number 5. There is diagram given like a kite. A, B, C, D. Here AB congruent, similar ratio here like this given. Then we will write here how triangle ABD, AD congruent to AD, D congruent to CD given. Means if here given is given, then we should write here given. In previous question also you may mention. What is given? Seg AB congruent seg BC given. Seg AD congruent seg DC. Seg AD congruent seg DC or CD. You may write here CD. However, given like that, we should have to take, instead of here, we should take CD. Then you are told to prove. What will you prove? Look, triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. CBD. Congruence sign is what I am going to draw. Here it is becoming like this, but actually it is like that, like this. So please see towards the congruent sign. Now proof. We will check it. How can we prove? Here already these two pairs of one triangle is congruent to the corresponding sides of another triangle given, and this BD is a common side. So these two triangles are congruent by triple S test. So I will write here in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle CBD, we should not change the sequence. Then here seg AB congruent seg CB given. Seg AD congruent seg CD. And this is given. A reason you should write, mention that reason given. Then seg BD congruent seg DB. Seg BD congruent seg DB common sides. Now we will take here triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD by which test? By triple S test. Then which are the angles are congruent to each other, that we should mention, and then I am going to mention angle A congruent angle C, angle ABD congruent angle CBD, angle ADB congruent angle CDB. What will you write here? Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. That is the reason. By this way, this exercise 3.2 is completed here, and we have to see some theorems, and we have to solve 3.3. But before of it, I am going to give you little information that which theorems are we going to see in the next video. So dear students, in this video, whatever the information I am going to give you about the next one, that is most important. You should see that here suppose there is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC means I am going to mention 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem. These theorems are very important for 10th standard. Look here, this is angle B is equal to 90 degree. Suppose C is equal to 60 and angle A is equal to 30. Then what happens? This is hypotenuse. 90 degrees opposite side is hypotenuse. Now 60 degrees opposite, and this is 30 degree BC. I will write here BC opposite to angle 30 degree. Opposite to angle 30 degree. AB opposite to angle 60 degree. AB opposite to angle 60 degree. And hypotenuse AC opposite to angle 90 degree. Once if you understand this, then it is very simple. Then according to 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, what is the situation that I will tell you. Now I am going to erase this all, and with separate diagram, in this diagram only, I will tell you what I am going to do. Keep in mind this diagram because it is very important for 10th standard. Same diagram I am going to draw here. Here it is we took 90, here it is 60 degree, and here we have taken 30 degree. Then side opposite to angle 30 degree is always half of hypotenuse AC. Understand? This is hypotenuse. Then here in 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, side opposite to angle 30 degree is half of hypotenuse, and side opposite to angle 60 degree is always root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse AC. So that is important. We should have to write here in triangle ABC. BC is equal to half of hypotenuse AC. Here you should write side opposite to angle 30 degree. And AB is equal to root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse AC, side opposite to angle 60 degree. Okay. Now, next theorem is that I have not solved this theorem, only I have told you that, what I have told you, do you understand? Here only I am giving information. Next is that 45, 45, 90 degree triangle theorem. A, B, C. B is equal to 90. It is hypotenuse. Angle A and angle C are 45. So what will happen? 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem. Triangle theorem. Okay. We will mention angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. And in this case AB is equal to BC. What is the length of AB and BC? This is 1 upon under root 2 into hypotenuse AC. AB and BC are equal to each other, and the length of AB and BC is always 1 upon under root 2 into hypotenuse AC. If you have understand this, then next information is related to median. Suppose here A, B, C and BD is a median. BD is a median from 90 degree. I will write here in triangle A, B, C, measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree. Sec BD is median from 90 degree to AD, to hypotenuse AC. You can write here BD perpendicular AC, BD perpendicular AC. Then BD is perpendicular to AC at D. What is the length of sec BD? Sec BD is equal to length of sec BD is equal to half of hypotenuse AC. Okay. It is in case of in right angled triangle. If median is drawn, what is meant by median? Median means what? This is the new concept. I think it might be you have studied in 7th or 8th. Then also once again I am going to remind you about median means what. Here in triangle ABC, one perpendicular line, whether it is perpendicular or not, that is not most important thing, but line segment drawn from, this is the base, line segment drawn from base opposite vertex to the base and divides the base into two equal parts, that is called a median. What I have told you, here AD is a median. This AD is drawn from base opposite vertex BC. A is a base opposite vertex to BC. The line segment drawn from base opposite vertex to base, and it divides into two equal parts, BD and DC. So this is called a median. Then here also same way we can write that in triangle, is it written or not, that check here. In triangle ABC, seg AD is median, therefore BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. So dear friends, here whatever information was necessary in case of this lesson, related to this lesson, is here completed, and we will study some more, we will take some more knowledge about this all in next exercise, and I hope that you will try to understand it. In next video, I am going to prove that how it becomes half of AC, or how side opposite to angle 30 degrees half of the hypotenuse. Means I am going to explain 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, as well as we will see the theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle theorem in next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. You should tell to your friends, write your comments and share your likes. Thanks for watching the video.